Actually, it's 12:16 p.m., so it's no longer morning. I slept in late today, guys. Hello, everyone. This is Tara Woodruff, and I've come to you with a special how-to video today. This is actually part of the 14-day challenge. Day 2 is to teach or talk about something that you don't even know anything about. And I was struggling with this because I think like I know everything, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Susan, what's going on? Hi, Mom. I think I know everything, so I'm always like struggling to find out something, which is so silly because there's so much I don't know about. However, luck behold, fell into my lap. I'm super excited about this. Stella actually had good morning, Ginger. Afternoon, Ginger, actually. You know, it's still morning for you. Stella had Taekwondo camp last week, and she just wrapped it up, and they were doing crafts. Each day they did a different craft. And the day that they did the nunchuck creation craft, she didn't get to finish. So I have some supplies, and I went and looked it up because I wanted to finish them for her, and or teach her how or whatever, but I'm just going to do it because I'm going to do it live with you. So what is it you need to make your aspiring martial arts Zen guru a pair of nunchucks for them to practice? You're going to need some duct tape or craft tape. I got Gorilla Tape here. It's a mess, but whatever. You're going to need a pair of scissors. And you're going to need a pool noodle. That's right, a pool noodle. And probably an X-Acto knife or some sort of razor that you can cut them. Mine are already cut. I'm going to show you what I got here. So you get a pool noodle. You could make at least 2 pairs out of one pool noodle of nunchucks, which is really cool. And you can see they kind of started here, but they didn't get anywhere. The time ran out. You know, they had a really busy time. I know, I think it's morning too. I wanted to sing the good morning song, but then I realized it was 12:12 and I couldn't do that. So, if you're into learning how to make some nunchucks for your aspiring martial artist, don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So, you get the noodle, you cut it about this long, which I would say is about 8 inches. And you get yourself your Gorilla Tape or your crafting tape. They have pretty colors too if you want to get pretty colors. Or you just, you know, get the duct tape that you have around the house. Duct tape is better than, like, say, masking tape or something like that because it's going to be stronger. So I definitely highly suggest that. So I'm actually going to look over at a little blog I found here that will help me do my best job for you. So first you're going to start, and this is serious. These are going to be some serious nunchucks, let me tell you. Well, it's a really cute song. It goes a little bit like this. Good morning, Katie. Good morning. Good morning. Ba 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 ba. Good morning. Ba 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 ba. Good morning. Ba 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 ba. It's a beautiful day. Ba 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 ba. Beautiful day. That's my alarm, and we kind of have fun with that. Yeah, it's a good idea. So, here we go. Good morning, Katie. What's going on? I'm starting here, and I'm going to wrap around the nunchuck. All the way to the top of the nunchuck. I'm going to get it in there. Good morning, Kimberly. You missed my song? My song was good? You missed the song? Maybe I'll sing it for you later. So, here I go. Okay, so I have the same alarm. So now we know what we hear when we set our alarms in the morning. I know somewhere across our great land that Katie Manning is waking up to the same thing. That's pretty cool. So here we go. I'm getting here. So now I'm going to stop wrapping it. I knew you'd love it, Ginger. And I'm going to pull it down to about there. That might be too much, but we're going to find out. I'm going to try and wrap a little bit more here. Did you see how long I got it? I got it long. And now I've got to kind of bring it around. And let's see where they... Let me check the website. I got to cheat here, guys. This is the first time ever doing that. Squish the tape so it starts to form a sort of a rope. That's squish. That's the official word. So, I'm going to squish the tape. Let me get it on here first. I'm hoping you can see. I'm sitting next to my desk because I want to be able to see the website at the same time. And I'm going to squish, the official word is squish the tape. See, I'm squishing the tape so well. I'm doing such a good job. Squish the tape. Now, they probably should be coming out the middle, but I don't think I'm doing that, so it's not happening over here that way. But I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep going. So now I have one end of it. And I'm going to pull some more tape out. And I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy. Let me see if I can show you anything. Because now it's getting complicated, guys. It's getting out of hand. Here we go. I got it there. And I'm going to continue to wrap. I wonder if I could... Let me try something here. I got skills, and I didn't even have to really practice, Katie. I just did it. This is pretty amazing. I don't know what I'm doing here. I got skills for squishing tape, and nunchucks are new to me, man. And oh goodness. Well, I'm just gonna keep going. I'm glad you guys are having fun because I'm having fun making a fool of myself. So I'm still at the same spot I was last time I showed you because I'm small, freaking out here about how to get this done. I think I got it handled. Okay. I'll pull some more tape out. Ugh. This Gorilla Tape is the business, let me tell you. And I want to get it on there really good. My dog's looking at me like I'm nuts. But she already knows I'm crazy. Some of you guys might know. Maybe today's the day you find out. Tara's a little bit on the loony side. So I'm going to do this right here like that. I'm going to wrap it one more time. I want this to be Ultra Nunchucks. Goodness. And here I go. Alright. So, next step. This is very important. Good morning or afternoon, Jennifer. Actually, you're in the morning time still. You're over in Texas, right? It's still morning. I think. So I cut the tape there. Did you see my scissor skills? Morning, Chelsea. I want to wave to you. Ah! Come back here. Let me wave. I like the wave feature. So now I got it like this. And I guess I could do some aesthetic work. Like maybe even get this in the middle here like it's supposed to be. Oh, now, did you see how long that was? What has happened? I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to make it go in the middle. But I will. I'm doing good. I know. The non-crazies don't know what they're missing, dude. I'm going to cut a couple of pieces off here so that I can cover the top, because the picture that I'm looking at looks way more skilled and finished than mine. So I am going to cover the top here so that it looks more professional. See? One more time. So what'd you guys have for breakfast today? Anything interesting? I had coffee for breakfast. That's generally what I have for breakfast. I gotta be really hungry or going to work that day to eat breakfast. And go here and get this done. So, here are Stella's practice nunchucks that she will be able to pretty much beat anything up softly that she would like. They're fancy, yes. If I had some bedazzlers or something, I might bedazzle. I might have her decorate with some markers so that they can be really beautiful. And so that's what's up. That's what nunchucks are all about. And on a side note, has nothing to do with nunchucks or crafts or anything like that. Anything at all. I've got a couple of really amazing tips on how to feel and look like $1 million without having $1 million budget. Actually, I called it a hot mess budget. If you're interested in learning some awesome stuff that I learned, go ahead and reach out to me and I'll hook you up with those tips on how to be beautiful on a budget. Bam! Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.